Since the beginning of the 21st century, technological advancements have rapidly transformed our reality, turning once dreamed of concepts into everyday realities. Reflecting on the unfolding of the past, I became curious about the potential developments in the next 30 years. Consequently, I delved into exploring what life might resemble in 2050. Let's examine some key areas of technological progress. Nanotechnology. Over the years, scientists have made remarkable strides in nanotechnology, discovering innovative applications with the potential to revolutionize life. Experts predict that nanobots may be integrated into our brains in the future, enhancing our connection to the virtual world through brain-computer interface technology. This could empower individuals with rapid access to vast information and problem-solving capabilities, potentially rendering devices like phones and calculators obsolete. The implications for fields like mathematics are particularly exciting. Anticipating advancements in 3D print technology, we can expect even more sophisticated capabilities by 2050. Currently, we can already 3D print tools in homes, but future developments may enable the printing of various tools and potentially modes of transportation. The accessibility of 3D printing is expected to increase, allowing individuals to print diverse objects from furniture to food, addressing challenges such as world hunger. Envisioning advancements in medical technology, it's speculated that by 2050, technologies like brain-computer interface may disrupt the inevitability of death. Information stored in our brains could be transferred to a computer, preserving memories and knowledge. Additionally, strides in medical research may lead to the cure of serious diseases like cancer, although initial accessibility to such technologies could be limited due to cost. The future of transportation in 2050 appears to be characterized by significant changes. Self-driving cars are already in development, promising a reduction in traffic-related deaths and providing individuals with newfound free time during travel. The Hyperloop One project aims to revolutionize public transportation, offering a faster, cheaper, and cleaner alternative. Addressing environmental concerns, future transportation modes are expected to rely on renewable energy sources, moving away from carbon-emitting fuels. Efforts are underway to explore electromagnetic levitation and harness energy from sources like wind, solar, and thermal energy to create a more sustainable future. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of space exploration, with goals of enabling human colonization on other planets. Space tourism may become a reality, offering individuals the opportunity to visit destinations like Mars and the Moon. Artificial intelligence, AI, is advancing rapidly and is anticipated to surpass the processing power of living brains. While concerns about the impact on the job market and workforce persist, efforts are underway to instill important human values into AI systems. As the job market evolves, education is expected to undergo significant changes. Digital learning is on the rise, and by 2050, completely digital schools may be commonplace. Online degrees could become the norm for higher education, potentially taught by AI-powered robots. With the rise of AI and decentralized finance, traditional forms of currency like cash may become obsolete by 2050. Virtual transactions and new financial modes are expected to dominate, facilitated by technological advancements. In conclusion, while this exploration of future innovations is speculative, the rapid progress of current technologies suggests that significant changes are on the horizon. While not every prediction may come to pass, the potential for transformative advancements in various aspects of life by 2050 is undeniably intriguing. The trajectory of technology hints at a world that, while different, may offer solutions to current challenges and possibilities beyond our current imagination.